Welcome back to another video in our series. Before we start, hit like and subscribe. It's easier than finding an open shop on a Sunday in Germany, and that's saying something. Your support means a lot. Now, let's get started. Question number 161. What are the possible effects of hashish consumption? Improved judgment of time. False. Hashish impairs judgment, including time perception. Intoxication with dangerous hallucination and reduced reaction capability. True. Hashish can cause hallucinations and slow reactions. Intoxication with confusion and depression. True. Hashish use can lead to confusion and later depression. Question number 162. What are the possible effects of hashish consumption? Diminished awareness of danger. True. Hashish reduces hazard perception. Increased likelihood of mistakes in assimilating information. True. Hashish affects information processing skills. Misjudgment of speed and distance. True. Hashish users often misjudge speeds and distances. Question number 163. Who is not allowed to drink alcohol when driving motor vehicles? All drivers under 21. True. Strict rules for young drivers. All drivers during their probation period. True. Probationary drivers must avoid alcohol. Question number 164. Are drivers during their probation period allowed to be under the influence of alcohol when driving motor vehicles? No, definitely not. Strict no alcohol rules for probationary drivers. Question number 165. Why can fitness to drive be impaired even by just a small quantity of alcohol? Because this reduces the reaction time. False. Alcohol doesn't reduce but rather increases reaction time, slowing down the driver's ability to respond to traffic situations. Because this reduces the field of vision. True. Even small amounts of alcohol can narrow the field of vision, making it harder to see peripheral hazards. Because this diminishes spatial vision. True. Alcohol impairs the ability to accurately judge distances and spatial relationships, essential for safe driving. Question number 166. Why is consuming drugs even just once dangerous for driving on public roads? Can result in unfitness to drive. True. Even one-time drug use can severely impair driving ability. Can result in an intoxication state lasting for several hours. True. The effects of drugs can last for hours, affecting driving skills. Can cause faulty perceptions. True. Drugs can distort perceptions, making driving unsafe. Question number 167. How long does cannabis and its degradation products remain detectable in urine? For some weeks. True. Cannabis can be detected for weeks after consumption. Question number 168. Why is an individual unfit to drive after consuming the drug crystal meth? Because it is possible to overestimate personal capabilities. True. Crystal meth can lead to overconfidence. Because of the possible sudden onset of fatigue. True. Sudden fatigue can occur, affecting driving. Because of the possibility of experiencing hallucinations. True. Hallucinations can impair driving ability. Question number 169. How can your fitness to drive be quickly restored following the excessive consumption of alcohol? Nothing can achieve this. True. Time is the only way to recover from alcohol effects. Question number 170. What can affect ability to drive in a similar way to alcohol? Drugs. True. Drugs can impair driving ability like alcohol. Medications. True. Some medications can affect driving skills. Question number 171. How can the consumption of cannabis products affect the driver? It reduces the ability to concentrate on driving. True. Cannabis impairs concentration, crucial for safe driving. It reduces sensitivity to glare. False. Cannabis doesn't typically affect glare sensitivity. It reduces the awareness of other traffic. True. Cannabis use can decrease awareness of traffic conditions. Question number 172. What effects can result from taking drugs? Increased readiness to take risks. True. Drugs can lead to riskier driving behaviors. A miscalculation of speeds. True. Drugs can impair the ability to judge speeds accurately. Impairment of concentration. True. Drugs can significantly reduce concentration while driving. Question number 173. Consuming what substance before or while driving can make you unfit to drive? Cocaine. True. Cocaine impairs driving ability and reaction times. Alcohol. True. Alcohol consumption is a major factor in driving impairment. Hashish. True. Hashish affects judgment and motor skills, making driving unsafe. Question number 174. When ambient temperatures are high, this negatively affects driver concentration during long journeys and accident numbers rise. Which of the following is it advisable to do so that you remain alert and can drive safely even during high summer? I plan for regular breaks. True. Regular breaks help maintain alertness during long drives. I drink enough. True. Staying hydrated is crucial for concentration and overall health. I try to perform my trips around noon. False. Avoid driving during the hottest part of the day to reduce fatigue.